all you cool cats and kittens. My name is Jade with the Body Candy marketing team, and today we're talking about the jewelry. There's so much. There's so many options. How do you find what's right for you? So many choices, so much decisions. We have so many different options for whatever piercings you may need, whatever tone you'd like, materials, size, gauge, all of these things. How can you possibly get through it all? I got some tips and tricks for you. Let's get to it.
Welcome to the Body Candy homepage. That's right, in all of its glory, and all those options are just waiting for you. So let's start with what you can do first. I like to check out our new. It will be right here, that little pink dot. You can click that. You can always see what we got coming out new for you guys. We always add new jewelry. Love that. If you want to look at our departments, we have some fun in the sun, nose ring, belly ring, and get to your specific piercing to help you search for that a little better. Or you can always scroll down and check that here. Our monthly club will be right in the middle, ready for you. Check that out if you can. But let's do something I don't think a lot of people know, and I think you should know because I think it's really helpful. So let's say we're trying to look for something that's got a flower on it. Love some flowers. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see. Oh, just 2,000 results. That's fine. Maybe we should try to refine our results a little bit. Let me show you how to do that. Hit refine results. Now you'll have all kinds of filters here ready for you. Body part, theme, material, thickness, color, price, style, length, gemstone, ball size, so many options. So for this little experiment, let's go body part. Let's try the navel. Okay, look, we're getting our little results lower. Now let's say I want my material to be rose gold plated. Oh my gosh, perfect. Now we're down to 49 results. So much easier to look and find exactly what I want. And I want all of these, so that wasn't super helpful. Just kidding. That's how you can refine your results just a little bit quicker, just a little bit easier. Hope that helped.
I hope this little tutorial helped you out on how to traverse our huge catalog and our huge, amazing selection of jewelry, and you can get exactly what you are looking for. Happy hunting. Bye.